Hey, what's up everybody? Cameron Perez here from the Great Oasis, coming to you from Chicagoland, or just outside of Chicago. We've got a cool ponds water feature going on today. Yesterday some hiccups, but we overcame it. Reservoir is in. We got a lot of boulders set. Today we just gotta button up the top part, get 2 spillways coming in here. And then this one will be ready to go and we'll be running to the next thing. Stay tuned. We'll show you when water's running. Bye.
The idea was for us to get water come from a bunch of different angles, heights, elevations, directions, all that good stuff. And I think we nailed it with this one. You can see we got the split waterfalls up to the top, and then water coming down between rocks, over rocks. Just incredible. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 waterfalls. Oh, and 10 waterfalls, including that one down there. Just such a cool design. Quite a departure from what was here. It was all dirt and grass, and now you have an incredible outdoor oasis with the soothing sounds of water.
Hey, what's up everybody? Cameron Perez here from the Great Oasis, checking in with you from the South Chicagoland area, helping the one and only Chris Hansen out on a project. All I did was really just move a bunch of rocks and dirt and let the artist paint his masterpiece. Always a spectacular time working with Team Aquascapes. They know what they're doing. They're like a well-oiled machine. Everybody just functions really well on their team. They all work together. So it's always cool working with them, learning from them, seeing how they knock out their projects, the rocks that they use, the styles. Talk about a transformation though for this space. But in the Aquascapes way, we are on to the next one, so I will catch you in a little bit. Bye.